Now, let's move on to some supplementary consideration. Here, we will dig deeper into essence, that is a universal characteristic of a thing. In this lecture, for the sake of explanation, though water is an uncountable noun, we will treat it as a countable noun and refer to a lump of water as a water, or one water. As you may have already noticed, when we talk about the essence of water, water means all of water, that is universal water, and does not mean a water, that is individual water. Similarly, when we talk about essence of a thing means all of a thing, that is a universal thing, and does not mean a thing, that is, an individual thing. Here, take a look at the chart showing a different recognition model from the one we saw earlier. Essence is an attribute that an individual thing also has. However, essence is a universal characteristic of a universal thing, not of an individual thing. In the first place, there is no such thing as a universal characteristic of an individual thing. Essence is not something that makes an individual thing what it is, but something that makes a universal thing what it is. In addition, physically, all real things are individual things, and people recognize an individual thing as one of all of a thing, that is, one of a universal thing. So, each of the things in this chart, from thing 1, thing 2, to thing n, is one of a universal thing. And this is also the case for a thing that is unique in the world in the sense that there are no other things like it. We refer to a thing that is unique in the world as a thing that is already one of a universal thing, meaning all things. This is also a form of human recognition. So, what should we call the attributes that things have other than their essence? Once understand what essence is, many people will have this question. And philosophy has already provided a clear answer to this question. In philosophy, attributes that things have other than their essence are called accidents. This probably means attributes that each individual thing accidentally has. While essence is an attribute that all of a thing have, an accident is an attribute that some things have and some other things do not have. Therefore, in the chart's recognition model, the attribute shown in the blue oval, which is an attribute that is common to all of a thing and not common to all other things, is the essence, and other attributes such as triangles and squares are accidents. Please note that in this recognition model, the attributes of each individual thing refer not only to internal attributes, but also to external attributes. In other words, both essence and accidents can be internal attributes as well as external attributes.